God and devil were both colonial terms. So have you wondered how we now began to call Ekwensu as devil and Chukwu as God? What's the interaction there? Now, this is because one of the major problems the early missionaries faced was the issue of language and cultural disconnect. We do not share the same language, we do not share the same culture. So there is a disconnect between the both interactions. Now, the missionaries couldn't find local and indigenous terms that they could use to pass the doctrine of Christianity to make it relatable so that basically would adapt to their own belief systems. So they began to basically map out Christian concepts and now try to mix it with indigenous Igbo terms, irrespective of their cultural meanings and interpretation. They looked at the concept of Ekwensu and they found it to be similar to the doctrines or to the characteristics of the devil, and they latched onto it. At the same time, they also latched onto the concept of Chukwu, which was a deity that belonged to the people of our Chukwu. So they now translated Chukwu Ubinokbabi as the creator. So today you hear people, oh, we knew God, we knew Chukwu. That was a misunderstanding. Now, in Igbo cosmology, Ekwensu was never deemed or seen as evil personified. Rather, we knew Ekwensu as a deity of bargain, crossroads, war, and cosmic justice. Now, Ekwensu is this force that holds both human beings and spirits accountable to agreements, whether it's cosmic agreement or whether it's a human agreement. So any form of agreement, Ekwensu holds you accountable to those sorts of bargain. Now, we also now have Chukwu. Chukwu is particular to the Arochukwu deity. Chukwu was revered in Arochukwu with proverbs like Ihu Chukwu Denaro Chukwu or Echo Ihu Chukwu Jenaro Chukwu. But those terms or sayings were basically mistranslated. So over time, through mistranslations and repetitions, we the Igbo people inherited these meanings. And today, Ekwensu is known as the devil and Chukwu is known as God. Now, Chukwu might not really have any negative impact, but Ekwensu is now being seen as evil, demonic, and indigenous interpretations and meanings of Ekwensu is now being eroded and replaced with the characteristics and the mistranslated concept, the devil, Satan.